So welcome to my channel, Civil Software Skill, projection of solids by using AutoCAD. This is part 2 video. Right. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to draw the cylinder and hexagonal prism for 3D solid. Simple question, and all the elements are resting on HP. Right. The first one, draw the projection of a cylinder of base 30 mm diameter and axis length 30 mm long, resting with its base on HP and axis 25 mm in front of VP. Right. Second one, draw the hexagonal prism side of base 25 mm and height 60 mm, resting with its base on HP, such that one of its rectangular face is parallel to VP. And the general commands to be used for these two problems by AutoCAD: units, line, circle, divide, DDP type, move, and copy. These are the basic commands. So let's go for first one, setting the units, UN, enter. And it's decimal, precision 0.00, then insertion scale to be millimeter. So after setting the units, the first one, that is draw the cylinder, right? Generally, the cylinder is a 3D element. So converting, I am the 3D modeling toolbar. So cylinder is directly cylinder is there. Hide it. Now cylinder specify the center point of the base, right? So I just click on this, then diameter. So the diameter in the sense 30 mm. So first I put the diameter. So now simply I press 30, type it as 30. Then axis length, and once again, so just escape. And before you are starting the 3D and is converted to this view cube, so convert it to 3D, then only it will be visible. Now start again, press cylinder and press any point. First mention the diameter, now 30 mm. Okay. And height. So automatically height is, yes, axis length is 50 mm. So now I press 50. This is 3D, but it is not visible. So that change the visual style. Just type it as wish, so visual styles. And second one, it is conceptual. This is our model. It is cylinder, actual cylinder as 3D. Now, how it look like in the top view, and similarly press this one yes side. So it is front side. So the top view will be a circle and front view will be a rectangular. And this is what we're going to draw in the 2D. And again I convert it to wireframe. Now just top view, just I close it. Now changes to drafting and annotation toolbar. Now first I draw the line L, enter, or you select the line from the home toolbar and just, so ortho mode, this is ortho for straight line. So if you are off the ortho mode, so the line will be inclined, not straight. So when you on this, the line will be straight. Okay, now I use the drawing. Okay, now second one, the axis is 25 mm in front of VP, and for that we can use copy command. Just CO copy and asking select the object, select the line. Okay, enter, and specify the base point and which direction, how many distance. I press 25. Now somewhere else. Okay. Right. So 25 line here. Now used to draw, select the circle command, and from this example midpoint, the diameter will be 30 mm. Press 30. Yeah, this is my circle. Then delete the lines. Turn off this coordinate system. So just go to view and off the UCS icon. Then come to home. Now divide the circle. So I just divide. Select the object to divide. How much sides? So for example, number of segments, I apply 6, and the command DDP type press yes. So use any one of the symbol. Now the circle divided into 6 parts using the lines. Press escape. Again I press the line from here to here. Again I press line. Okay. Now equally divided into 6 parts. And the angle maintained by the for dimension. So go to home and here the angular. So just press line and this line. So it will show 60 degree. Now using the line, draw the projector. And one more thing, if you want to highlight this line, for select the line and go to okay. So line weight for dark lines. Now it is not visible. So for that, press line weight. See, look at this. Line weight, just press on. Okay. Right? Then the other lines changes to normal. 0. And if you want to change the color, and go to the color and here. No. And now using the line, change the thickness of the line. This line weight. So I used to draw the projectors. Now cylinder. Now I draw the base of the cylinder like this somewhere else. And the lines are extended so that for that I use trim. It's a trim command. So just using the commands trim. Shortcut is trim your double enter. You must double enter. Okay. TR double enter and the axis line for axis line should be a dotted line so that load again I select the dotted spaces. Okay. Now select the line and change the line types. Now, yeah. Okay. So better you go for other line type. First one. Okay. Select the line and change your. Now the cone height is mentioned. Axis length 50 mm. Right. Again use the line weight zero point 0.3. So normal line. 50. Then here diameter 30. Then line normal line is without any bilayer. By black. Select the line, change it. Okay. Then now you can extend the line or draw the line. Just one. Okay. Now, after drawing this, name it as using text and text, and then first one, so press small a. You want to increase in this very small this text size, so increases to 1 or it's 1.5. This is it. Name it as a, and just I copy this and press on ortho mode off. Here B, name it as this point. Now just double click B, C, S, D, E, and F, and put it in the bracket. I used 1, 2, 3 for bottom, D, 2, just double click on this, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And the points are visible here, and which point is visible is the A, B, C, D are the top, and 1, 2, 3 are the bottom surfaces. So that, so in the front view, so what it look like. Okay, so first one, point A and 1, both are visible. So A will be a top, so I just copy, and using the base point I press this as A, and A dash, mark it. Now just increasing the font size because it's not visible. Okay, just I copy this one and paste it here. Add is 1. Look at this front, the A and 1 are visible. So A will be the top number and B is a bottom surface. Sorry, 1 is a bottom surface. And similarly for here, D and 4 are visible sides. So what I'm doing is just copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it here, somewhat here, and I convert it to small d dash, and instead of 1, so I type it as 4. So the both points are visible, and now the F surface F is visible, B is not visible. So that, and just copy this one, copy, paste it here. So I just F dash visible, B dash not visible. So F dash, B dash not visible. Similarly, for here, E visible, C dash not visible. E dash visible and C dash not visible. And similarly, come to bottom. Just I copy this one somewhat here, and 6 is visible and 2 is not visible. 6 dash, 2 dash not visible. Just copy this one. 5 dash visible, 3 dash not visible. Right. So all the numbers are coming. This is the projection of cylinder. Right. The second one, draw the hexagonal prism, side of base 25 mm and height 60 mm, resting on with its base on HP such that one of its rectangular faces is parallel to VP, right? And first of all, the 3D views. So now I converted my toolbar to 3D modeling and changes to the south view, isometric view. Right now, go to cylinder, sorry, prism, right? Hexagonal prism. The prism in the sense, okay. So prism you have to draw. So how to draw this prism? Okay. So first, again I come to the top view. It changes to drafting and toolbars. Okay. Now, so how to start with prisms, right? The side length is 25. Okay. So first I take line and press ortho mode. Sorry, line changes my layer. Okay. And 30. Now, so ortho mode is on. So 25. And now, second one, select the circle. Take this point as origin, sorry, center, and this point as a radius. So again, I'm doing circle, and now this point is center, and this point is radius. Now select the line and join this line. Escape. Press this one and this one. Now come to circle this point and draw the circle passing through these 2 points. Now again circle this point and this point as origin. Now again line, press this line and this line. Circle center and this point is radius. Now again, so I simply delete it. Now circle this point as a circle, this is radius. Line, no. Repeat the process up to this point. Line, this point. So other lines are will be deleted. Now it is measuring the dimension. So align dimension is 25, right? And this is the dimension. Stop here. Now I changes to okay. Now, so now these lines are separated. Okay. So now, so reg region, new command region reg command reg. So reg select the lines, all lines, and press enter. Now this line is converted to unit. Now the command, go to extrude 3D modeling, and okay, now changes to okay. Now and this point extrude, or put the command ext extrude, also a command extrude ext extrude, select the object ext extrude, select the object, enter, then what is the height, height here mentioned 60 mm. So I put 60. This is my a prism, hexagonal prism. Now visual styles. This now there's also another command. Visual styles. The command is wish. And second one conceptual one. This is my hexagonal prism. Now, when you look at this from top, so it look like a hexagonal. At the same time, when you look at this front, so it will look like a rectangular. And this is what we going to draw in the 2D model, right? Now, changes the toolbars. It's already now changes to front view, top view. Now, again, same thing I follow here. First, I select the line, then changes my color. Now I started here, so 25, right? Okay. Now circle. So now this point to this point is a circle. Now take a line, this point, this point. Delete the circle. Again circle. This is my center point. Select this, and this is my radius. Now again I draw the circle from this to this point. You can off the ortho mode sometimes. Now line up to this to this. Escape. Then circle this point. Center. Line. Line. Then circle. Line. Circle. Escape. Sorry. Extra line deleted. Right. Now the internal lines, for internal lines by black, changes to 0 comma 0 line, opposite corner. This is our hexagon top view, and I draw a line, straight line ortho mode off on now, and draw the projectors from each corner using line tool. Now the front view, select the line, changes the line weight 0.3, the axis height is 60 mm, is 25 mm, correct. Enter. And length is how much? I think so. The side length 25, so it is 50. Now join the line from the here, join the line. Similarly for line, and the lettering also there. So see, first one I copy this one from the previous one. See, just move it, and after ortho mode, select M, enter, move, and change the mode. Similarly for other purpose also. See, so first increasing the dimension. I move it here. Just I copy the text from this point to here. Yeah. Now, so A1. So I number in the clockwise direction. So it is B, number is 2. And here, just zoom it. C, number is 3. D, 4. E, 5. Now F, 6. Now the axis line in the dotted line changes by layer. Yeah. Now, copy this one, numbering. Now it is A dash. A dash is visible. A means top. The ABCD is a top and 1, 2, 3 is a bottom, right? So when you look at this from front, so F is visible, but A is not visible. So that I can change F dash and put it bracket in the what? A dash. Now the remaining portion will be deleted. Similarly, from bottom, and A6 is visible, 6 dash, but 1 dash is not visible. Right. Now, just to copy this one, just move it. Oh, and top E is visible and B dash not visible. E dash visible, B dash not visible. The number 5 is visible, 2 is not visible. 5 dash is visible, 2 dash not visible. So I copy 1 and 2, then CO, copy base point and copy this one as like this. First letter D dash C dash. So D dash is visible, C dash not visible. The number 3 dash not visible, 4 dash visible. This is, yes. So this is a front view and top. Simple position. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.